Welcome to Semiconductor Pro in 3 minutes. Today's topic, TSMC. Let's break it down. iPhone, the latest gaming consoles, and NVIDIA, the main act of today's AI boom. Did you know they all have one thing in common? The actual chips inside every one of these are built by the same company, Taiwan's TSMC.
TSMC now holds over 70% of the global market for cutting-edge chips. Why is one single company so dominant? The biggest reason is simple. They don't make their own end products. They only manufacture for others.
Imagine you came up with the ultimate sandwich recipe, but the bakery you want to outsource production to also sells their own sandwiches in their store. Would you really feel safe handing them your secret recipe? Probably not.
TSMC enforces a strict "we never compete with our customers" rule. That's exactly why Apple and NVIDIA can hand over their most confidential blueprints without any worry at all. This ultimate sense of trust is the true source of TSMC's strength.
Of course, their technology is on a completely different level. In 2026, mass production of the 2-nanometer process finally ramped up at full scale. To picture 2-nanometer precision, imagine targeting a single pachinko ball dropped inside Tokyo Dome with a laser fired from outer space. Making things very small is something other companies can probably do too, but producing hundreds of millions of those tiny patterns on a single wafer with almost zero defects again and again, that's called yield. And in yield, plus all the deep know-how needed to keep improving it, no one in the world comes close to TSMC. Today, TSMC isn't just a company. It's the very heart of the global economy. If their fabs stop, the entire world stops. That's exactly why they're expanding worldwide, including in Kumamoto, becoming, quite literally, infrastructure that supports the whole planet. Quick recap. First, TSMC is the world's most powerful manufacturing-only foundry. Second, because they never compete with their customers, knowledge from across the globe flows into them. And third, in the 2-nanometer era, the lead role still belongs to this one single company. Now, today's pro tip. A single momentary power outage at a TSMC fab is reportedly enough to cause hundreds of billions of yen in damage. That's why one single company is said to consume roughly 10% of all the electricity used in Taiwan, truly an operation on a national scale. That's all for today's TSMC episode of Semiconductor Pro in 3 minutes. If you found this video interesting, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.